Now take another nerve circle, go to show, hide the polygon or your arm, press V and snap the pivot point of this circle to the shoulder joint and rename this as shoulder controller. CTRL. Go to vertex selection mode, select all the vertex and move it just here. Go to object mode. Now go to modify, click freeze transformation. Now open your IK controller. Press Ctrl plus G to group it and rename the group as shoulder near and press D or insert key on your keyboard and press V to snap the pivot point to the shoulder joint. Again press D. Now go to Windows, General Editor, open Connection Editor. Select the shoulder near group and click reload right. Click right, click hide the non-keyable. Now select the shoulder controller. Click reload left. Connect the rotate of the shoulder controller to the shoulder near to rotate. Close it. Now select the shoulder controller, rotate and see. See, it is rotating along with the shoulder controller. Ctrl plus G to undo. Now select the pole vector parent group. Control select the FK group. Again shift select the shoulder controller from the outliner or control select the shoulder controller from the shift select the shoulder controller from the viewport and control select the shoulder controller from the outliner. Press P to parent it to the shoulder controller. Now select all this. Open attribute editor, press Ctrl plus A. First select this one, this nerve circle. Click object display. Drawing override. Click enable override. Change color index to RGB and change the color of it. I make it blue. Select this one. Enable override. Change the color. Select this one. Select this one. Click enable override. Color to RGB and change this color to red. Now go to front view. Unhide your arm. Select this. Rotate and see the effect. See? Go to front view. Again change modeling menu to rigging menu. Skeleton, create joint. Create another joint here. And rename the joint as clavicle. Select the shoulder joint and shift select the clavicular joint. Press P to parent it to the clavicular joint. Now select the shoulder joint, press Ctrl plus G to group it and rename as shoulder group. GRP. Select the clavicular joint and see it is parenting, the shoulder joint is parenting with the clavicular joint. Now take another nerve circle, press V to snap it to the shoulder joint. Now go to vertex mode, select all the vertex and move it back just here and up. Again go to object mode. Modify freeze transformation. Now select the, again go to Windows, General Editor, Connection Editor, rename it as clavicle controller, CTRL, and reload it to left and select the shoulder group and reload right and connect the translate of the shoulder controller to the shoulder group and rotate to the rotate of the shoulder group. Now close it. Select this. See, rotate and see the effect. Move and see the effect. See, Ctrl G to undo. This is the basic IK and FK arm rigging procedure for a single joint in Autodesk Maya 2020. You can also change its color. Press Ctrl plus A to open attribute editor. Click enable override. Change color to RGB. Change its color to this color.